come out here in the morning and be able to work. So yesterday it was so difficult right when I started, and then it got really good. And this morning, it's just like when I'm fresh and I'm ready, I am so much more, I'm smarter. I'm smarter. I'm just putting the gates up together because it's that time where I start building them as one piece now again. We did that in the beginning and then we separated and we're doing it again. So doing that today, and it's gonna be fun. This is where the beauty lays in. Nice, fresh, and rested, which is awesome. Love that. And let's get to it. It's gonna be a great day. Physics is awesome. It's awesome. It makes me so much stronger than I really am. I like to keep everything level and straight and plumb and all that good stuff. So what I've got going on today, I don't necessarily have to worry about plumb. That's the vertical up and down straightness, because it will be, because I'll just handle that in a minute. But what I'm mostly concerned about is the bottom edge, and it's not critical at this point in what I'm doing, but as soon as I get things lined up and all that kind of stuff, it'll show up. And so I just like to keep it straight the whole way. And what's happening here is I have really old sawhorses, old, and they were outside and they're beat up. So this guy is in pretty bad condition, and the top of it's been broken and that kind of stuff. So there's a gap here in my level. Everything else is perfectly level. So I'm gonna put both edges of the gate right here, and I just want that level, matching with that and that. So it just feels better. Simple. Okay, so I'm gonna do that with shims and ballast. Go with some different options. Here we go. That's perfect. Sweet. So that way everything stays totally straight, and I like that. Okay, here's my tip of the day. So when I'm working on my table and I'm moving hot metal, especially if I'm gonna go quench it or something, my dad and I make pliers that work for that. And how we do it is we go to the swap meets and find some old pliers, and then we grind the tips off of them. Can you see that? Totally smooth, totally smooth. So when you're grabbing it, it doesn't mark up the metal. Everything is softened all the way around. So so you can scoop up and grab and move things without dinging them. So that's my tip of the day with that. Yeah, it's nice to move things without damaging them. God, how many times do we do that a day? Just think of all the things we pick up, including our kids. Yeah, so I feel the same way about my art. So yes, so I make sure I pick them up nice and gentle. I did drop Calvin once. And he was on the carpet, so he was okay. He cried, but he was fine. Maybe Maybe that's why he leaves such a mess in my shop all the time. No, just kidding, but that's kind of funny, but it's not. I'm just looking at my view because it's so amazing, and the snow has stayed on so well this year, and it's the Crystal Range right out here. It's just so beautiful. Yeah. Okay, going back to work.
Do you want to dance?
There's a dragonfly. Ah, hi, buddy. You see him? So cool. Oh, he's coming again. Oh. Hi. Super, super fun welding these. So it's copper. The heat makes it drop out super quick. So what I mean is, if you heat up a certain area in copper and you leave the heat on there too long, it just drops out like a bucket of water, like the bottom of a bucket just poof. So you have to be super careful, and it's so interesting because the difference on how you work this side versus this side is totally different, as well as going up to this side. They all, because it's a cumulative heat dispersal. So the bigger the piece, you can work hotter, and the smaller the piece, you gotta do cooler and quicker. So anyways, it's super fun chasing this copper around. I love it. It's pretty cool. So I'm almost done here. So I'm just gonna finish up these pieces, and then they've already been plasma cut, and then I'm going to quench them, and then it is the Baldor grinding wheel, then the wire wheel, then back to Baldor, and sometimes in between the sander to make sure that I can stack them appropriately, is the hammering. So I've got to hammer and shape them, and sometimes you have to go to the wire wheel after you do that too. Yeah, I think that's about it before I weld. So there's lots and lots and lots and lots of stages for each one of these puppies. So let's see a little bit. Yay, fun! Now it's time to pick your next video. Which one are you gonna pick? Are you gonna pick this one? Possibly that one? Definitely get that one, because that one's super good. And this one's pretty fun too. So you know what? You can't go wrong. Just pick any. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell for the notification button. We'll see you on the next round.